Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about liquid volume or capacity. I'm going to show you what you need to do in this folder first. So you should be at week 3. This is 2 days due on the 15th. So go ahead and open that up. You have first your discussion time. So in your discussion, it says use the pictures attached of the water bottle and bucket to answer the questions. Which container has the greater capacity? Explain your thinking. So remember, capacity is the amount a container can hold measured in liquid units. So I have given you some sentence starters here, and I have also posted your math rubric down here by clicking on it to show you what is expected when we are doing these discussions. So it will download down here and you can open it up really quick. It's very similar to the one that we had been using in class. So it says, I wrote my answer in a complete sentence. I wrote my math thinking, telling what I did and why I did it. I explained the strategy I used to help me solve this problem. Okay, and then your solutions here is I got the answer correct. I got the correct answer and explained more than one way to solve it. So we really want to see you explaining how you got your answers here, ladies and gentlemen. So as I just read, so you're comparing these with the discussions, your water bottle to the bucket. You can click on these to open them up a little bit more. Here's your bucket. And then we have your water bottle here as well. They want to know which one holds a greater capacity, which means holds more water. So once you're finished here, you're going to write first before you can see or respond to your other classmates. Then go ahead and go back. You do your discussion time, then you will watch your video. So this is a video about me explaining our lesson for today with liquid volume. And we'll get to go on a quick little field trip, I guess you could call it, to the kitchen to do some measuring with the liquid volume. Then at number 3, watch video. Here's another way. This is from our Pearson. Remember, if you cannot log into it, go to the very bottom and click Manatee County, and it should let you write in. Hopefully you should only have to log in one time, but you have your play button, and you can go ahead and get started. Now remember, when trying to navigate back, don't click back here because you're in your Pearson book. So go ahead and you can click back here. Once they show you another way, it's a little bit more interactive. As you see, I clicked the wrong one. So click up here. And then you'll go into your anchor chart. So here's your anchor chart. I have liquid volume on here, what I'll talk about with you in the video. I also have your weight and mass. We'll use that the end of the week or next week. You'll see some examples here. I did those with my class last year, so they gave me some example of liters or milliliters, what you would measure with each of those. If you want to come up with some on your own as well. So anchor chart that you can refer back to, and then we go into our steps. You're on a separate piece of paper to solve numbers 1 through 22. Please solve these. Going through, and you are comparing different items here, just like what we'll do in our video together. All right, and then when you're finished with that, your last step is to input your answers. So remember, when you're inputting your answers, you have your number next to it, okay? So this would be number 1 on that practice sheet. This would be number 18 on that practice sheet, number 22, and number 19. Okay, don't forget to hit submit at the very end. You can take this quiz as many times as you would like to. And then you are finished with that. If you have any questions, please make sure that you message myself or your teachers to help.